AI is everywhere these days. It's in our phones, our cars, and our homes. But did you know it's also changing the game for startups? As a tech reviewer, I've seen countless gadgets. But AI? It's on another level. It's not just for big tech companies anymore. Small businesses and startups are using AI too. And it's helping them grow faster than ever. Startups are using AI to do things that once needed a whole team. They're automating tasks, analyzing data, and making smart decisions, all with the help of AI. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. AI is helping startups compete with bigger companies. It's leveling the playing field. And that's exciting for anyone starting a business. By the end, you'll see how AI can help your business too. Let's dive in and discover the power of AI for startups. Let me tell you about my internship at Scalar School of Technology. It was an eye-opener. Scalar isn't just any tech school. They're all about practical learning, and they're big on AI. During my time there, I got to see how AI works in the real world. It wasn't just theory. We were hands-on with actual AI tools. The cool thing about Scalar is their focus on startups. They work closely with new businesses. I saw how these startups were using AI to solve problems. Some were using AI to understand their customers better. Others were using it to make their products smarter. It was amazing to see how even small teams could do big things with AI. By the end of the internship, I had a whole new perspective on AI and startups. I realized that AI isn't just for tech giants. Let's talk about chatbots. They're one of the coolest AI tools for startups. Imagine having a customer service team that works 24/7, never gets tired, and can handle multiple customers at once. That's what a chatbot does. During my internship, I saw how startups were using chatbots to boost their customer service. One startup we worked with was struggling with customer support. They couldn't afford a big team to answer questions around the clock, so they implemented a chatbot. It was amazing to see the difference. The chatbot could handle basic questions instantly. This freed up the human team to deal with more complex issues. Customers were happier because they got quick responses, even at 3 a.m. It's a game changer for small businesses that want to provide great service without breaking the bank. Now, let's dive into predictive analytics. It sounds fancy, but it's really about using data to make smart guesses about the future. During my internship at Scalar, I saw how startups were using this AI tool to make better decisions. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. One startup we worked with was in the food delivery business. They used predictive analytics to guess how many orders they'd get each day. This helped them prepare the right amount of food and have enough delivery drivers ready. Before using AI, they often had too much food left over or not enough drivers. With predictive analytics, they reduced waste and improved their service. Setting up predictive analytics might seem hard, but there are tools that make it easier. The key is to start small. It's a powerful way for startups to make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Section 5. AI-powered marketing, targeting the right audience. Marketing is crucial for startups, but it can be expensive and hit or miss. That's where AI comes in. During my internship at Scalar, I saw how AI is revolutionizing marketing for startups. It's all about reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. And AI is really good at figuring that out. One of the startups we worked with was struggling with their social media ads. They were spending a lot of money but not getting great results. We helped them implement an AI tool that analyzed their audience. It looked at things like age, location, interests, and online behavior. The AI then suggested the best times to post ads and what kind of content would work best. The results were amazing. Their engagement went up, and they actually spent less money on ads. The great thing about AI-powered marketing is that it keeps learning and improving. As it collects more data, it gets better at predicting what will work. It's like having a super smart marketing team working for you 24/7. Automating tasks, saving time and money. Startups often need to do a lot with limited resources. That's where AI automation comes in. At Scalar, I saw startups using AI to automate tasks. It's like having a tireless assistant for repetitive jobs. We helped a startup implement an AI tool for data entry. What used to take hours now took minutes. This freed up the team to focus on growing the business. By automating routine tasks, startups save time and money. This lets them focus on innovation and growth. Section 7. AI for product development. Innovation at speed. Product development is crucial for startups, but it can be slow and expensive. That's where AI comes in. During my internship at Scalar, I saw how AI speeds up innovation. It's like having a super smart R&D team. One startup was developing a new app. They struggled to identify user-desired features. We introduced an AI tool to analyze user feedback. It processed thousands of reviews in minutes. The AI identified common requests and pain points. This gave a clear picture of what to prioritize. They developed an app users loved, faster than expected. AI helps with all stages of product development. It assists with market research, prototype testing, and sales predictions. For startups, this speed is crucial. AI supercharges human creativity. Section 8. Data security. Keeping your startup safe. In today's digital world, data security is crucial for startups. One data breach can destroy trust and sink a new business. During my internship at Scalar, I learned how AI is helping startups stay secure. It's like having a super vigilant security guard that never sleeps. We worked with a fintech startup that was worried about fraud. They were handling sensitive financial data and needed to protect it. We helped them implement an AI-powered security system. This AI could analyze transactions in real time. It looked for unusual patterns that might indicate fraud. If it spotted something suspicious, it could block the transaction and alert the team. This AI was learning all the time, getting better at spotting new types of fraud. During our internship, we learned that AI security isn't just reactive, it can also be proactive. For startups, this level of security used to be out of reach. But with AI, even small companies can have world-class protection. Section 9. AI in finance. Managing money smarter. Managing finances is a big challenge for startups. Every dollar counts. During my internship at Scalar, I saw how AI is helping startups make smarter financial decisions. It's like having a brilliant CFO working around the clock. One startup we worked with was struggling with cash flow. They never seemed to have enough money at the right time. We introduced them to an AI-powered financial forecasting tool. This AI could analyze their income, expenses, and market trends. It then predicted their cash flow for the next few months. The startup could see potential cash crunches before they happened. This allowed them to adjust their spending or seek funding in advance. It was a game changer for their financial stability. With AI, startups can make financial decisions with the sophistication of much larger companies. It's leveling the playing field in the world of finance. It's like having a brilliant partner that helps turn your ideas into reality at record speed. Section 10. The future is AI. Are you ready? As we wrap up, let's talk about the future. After my internship at Scalar, one thing is clear. AI is the future for startups. It's not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. The startups that embrace AI now will have a huge advantage. AI is not just a tool, it's a teammate. This really sums up how startups should think about AI. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. AI can handle the repetitive tasks, crunch the numbers, and spot the patterns. This frees up humans to do what they do best: be creative, build relationships, and make big-picture decisions. Looking ahead, the potential of AI for startups is enormous.